YouTube channel. To those who are new, my name is Avie Lese and hope you all are doing well. I'm in Vancouver Canada, so today I'll make a new vlog. So let's check it out together. I'm already ready for breakfast and we are thinking to go out with to check it outside after breakfast directly. So let's go and have breakfast. I'm done with my breakfast, and while my other colleagues were having their breakfast, I came out in the terrace to show you all the view. In the morning it was drizzling, so it's pretty chill right now. Hi. Oh, it's the photo. No, it's a video. Work it. Work it. It's vlogging. Now we're going to different shop or stall, I don't know whatever is it called, because we are also new out here, so we don't know the direction or the way to any of the mall or shop. We just put on the Google Map and we're going as per the direction of that. So let's check it out together. I hope it will be interesting. Since we don't have any network or internet, our Google was not directing us like in the proper way, we end up in different shop. But this is also a good one. So it's about the souvenir where we can buy all these souvenir for back home. The fish magnet, the kitchen and all. It's quite good. So let's check it out together. After I took nap for some times, I started packing my bag because I have an early morning reporting for tomorrow and my bag is in a mess, so I started packing. I was trying my best to show you all till the end of the day, but however I was not possible to do that because like in my phone the space was not there and I really had an issues with that. So I'm very sorry about that. I'll try to fix it. And thank you so much all of you whoever supported me till date, and keep on supporting me. I will try my best to show you all. And if you like my YouTube channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, share it and comment it. I really appreciate it. Till then, all of you, stay safe, take care and be healthy. I will see you all on my next vlog. Bye bye. Take care.